Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia, Tigray and Eritrea. Viewers, drone attacks by the Ethiopian government targeted a civilian transport bus near the city of Ekdam, killing 25 civilians. For all the countries that support Abiy Ahmed, you are complicit in these crimes. Airstrike killed three in Eritrean refugees camp in Ethiopia. An airstrike hit a refugee camp in northern Ethiopia, Tigray region, killing three Eritrean refugees, including two children. The United Nations said on Thursday. The strike on Wednesday hit May refugee camp near the situation Tigrayan town of Mete Sibri. The United Nations said three Eritrean refugees, two of the children, were killed. The United Nations High Commission for Refugees head Filippo Grandi said in a statement, adding that four other refugees were injured. The United Nations did not specify who carried out the strike, but only the Ethiopian government has air power in the area. Government spokesperson Ligis Tulu and military spokesperson Adani did not immediately respond to requests for comment. The government has previously done targeting civilians. At least 146 people have been killed and 213 injured in airstrike in Tigray since October, according to a document prepared by ad agencies and shared with Reuters. The document was based on evidence collected by regional aid workers as well as witnesses. According to two of its compilers, it records 41 airstrikes, with the deadliest being on December 16th strike in the town of Alamata that killed 38 and wounded 86. It did not say how many of those killed were civilians, and Reuters could not independently verify the figures. The 14-month-old war in northern Ethiopia between the federal government and the Tigray People Liberation Front, who used to dominate Ethiopian politics, has killed thousands of civilians and displaced millions. Last month, Tigrayan forces withdrew from neighboring regions. Airstrikes on the Tigray region have continued, and the United Nations says no humanitarian aid is able to enter the region. About 150,000 Eritrean refugees live in Ethiopia, and some have been targeted by belligerents on both sides of the conflict and cut off from aid for months at a time. A Reuters investigation in November revealed that Eritrean refugees had injured targeted civilians. Gang rapes and looting by both the TPLF and Eritrean forces who entered the conflict on the side of the Ethiopian federal government. On the other hand, according to the Oromia sources, the Abiy regime conducted airstrikes in Begi, West Walaga, and Dara, North Shava. They hit a school in Dara and both a school and coffee processing center in Begi. Dozens of civilians were killed due to the strike on the coffee processing center. So, here this is the latest update about it. For more latest report,